everyone, my name is Jivana Shinde from class 3 City Pride School Raman. Today for this Raman Award stage 2 I will be showing you an interesting science experiment named the liquid density rainbow tower. In this experiment I will tell you about density. What are densities? Density means how tightly particles are packed with each other. Different liquids have different densities. From that, they make different layers. For this experiment, I am using the blueberry syrup, milk, hand wash, vegetable oil, soap, dishwash, and hair oil, honey. So first I will pour the honey in the jar. I have poured honey in the jar. So next I will add the blueberry syrup. So now I am adding the dishwash gently in the jar. So now I am adding the hand wash. And then I will add vegetable oil. And then I will add milk. And finally, I will add the hair oil. Wow, what a magic of science! See the layers. Now I will drop some small object into the jar and write result in the observation sheet, whether it floats or sinks. So first I will drop the coin. See. Coin sink because it has high density, C. And where its position? Next I will add the screw, C. It has gone here. You can see. Can't see. I will write here sink. And next I will drop the carrot piece. Carrot has settled at middle layer. Then I will add popcorn piece. It is floating on the ball. I will write this. So it middle only. So I will write. So I learned that different liquids have different densities and objects float or sink depends on their densities. Thank you for watching my videos.